You are welcome to another online graphics training where we have been making use of our phone to make some simple designs. My name is Olabode Moses from Gracious Concept. Today I'll be teaching us how to make a ID card just like we did in our previous classes. What we have to do to start our design is to delete this text. Yes. How to make a business card. So what we have to do is to delete this, change the background color, change it to white. Then after you are done with this, you have to set the sizes. Now if you should look at this, we have the width and we have the height. Now all you have to do is to come to Chrome and look for a size of an ID card or business card. 1012 pixels wide by 1012, yeah, and the height is 638. Now having done with this, you just have to start your design. Now there is a particular business card I saw online that I downloaded, so we'll be following same thing in making our own design. Now we have to import shape, then give it black color, then this is the front. Copy another one, give it color. Now the color you should be using should depend on your logo. Now the logo we are making for the design is purple color. So purple color, and this is size the logo. I'm making use of purple. Now we are done with that. Same thing that we did there is what we are going to do at the other edge. Then copy another one, black with black, just like we did. Bring this to the front. This to the front. Into the front. Bring it out a little. Good. Now the next thing is to import our logo. Now you see that the logo is purple. That was why I use purple for the shapes color. Now to bring out the work of the logo, we have to give it a stroke, a black stroke here. Then we reduce the size of the logo. Then reduce the size of the logo. Do not forget we are doing a business card has a front and a back design separately. So we are doing the front design presently. So after doing that, we have to reduce the size. You have to reduce the size. Then having done with this, text gracious told us that when making design, our font should not be more than 2, highest 3. Having multiple designs and multiple fonts doesn't make our work to look professional. So all we have to do is to increase the text. So increase the size of the text. Then we have concept. Now let's give this gracious color. Give it a color. And give it that same color. Then we can space the text. Space the text. Then concept. Font. Compose. Compose this. Let's increase the size a little. Then let's set it. Let's set it. I hope we are getting it. It is very simple. This is gracious concept. Now we are done with the front design. All we have to do is to save it. You have to save it. Save as project. ID card front. ID front. Now having done with this, you have to design the back. Let's delete the back. Now this is a normal interface. We just still need to start same process like we did in the front design. We have to delete this, then give this color also. Give it color white. We are using white as a background color. Then the size. Next thing is to change the size. 1012, and the height is 638. In setting our sizes, it should not be different from each other, just like we did in the front design. We are also doing same thing at the back design. So having done this, now let's import the one I downloaded, because we are following same process. Now we import shapes. We give it black. We still import. We copy it. Then the second one we give it increase the size of this. Now having done this, the next thing is to import the logo. This is our logo. You import it. I said you give it a stroke to bring out the beauty of the logo. Then the next thing is to reduce the size of the logo. Next thing is to reduce the size of the logo. And then give it gracious. Then the font. This is the font. You can see that I've not even used up to 3 fonts. So as a professional designer, your font should not be more than 2. Using of multiple fonts doesn't make your work to be professional. Now, having done this, the next thing is to tag the brand name. Use gracious concept. Then same font that I use. Then is the CEO, depending on what you are doing. CEO, increase it. Now you set it. Then give it color. With a color, and as you can see, we are following same process. Now remove it. Good. Then this here we can select to give the word spacing. See here. CEO. Now, having done this, the next thing is to import the website logo, the phone call logo, and um, let's import the website. Give it a color. Color we use for our design is purple. Then reduce the size. It should be in alignment with the text. Shift this down a little. Then let's import that of website. Let's reduce the size. Then give it color too. Now, then let's move this to okay. Now the next thing is to import the core logo. This is the core logo. Okay. Then we give it color too. Then we reduce the size. We then remove it to build alignment. Can still reduce the size. Good. To shift this down a little. Then the next thing is to type number and find the lovely font I'm going to use for this. Okay. Now we reduce the size. #21. Mid of 21. All we have to do is to copy, edit the website. Is www.graciousconcept.com. Another thing we have to copy and edit again. Email. gmail.com. Then we set it also. Now we are done with our design. We have to delete this. Now look at it. The work is now beautiful. What we have to do is to save it to save as project. This is the back design, id card back. All we have is to save it. Now we are done with that. Now if you should look at this now, this is the project, this is the front. Let's delete it. This is the front and this is the back. This is the back design. See you guys in next class. Once again, I'm Olabode Moses from Gracious Concept. I want you guys to practice this and I want to see your work. I want to see how good you are. See you in next class. Bye.